Hotel Elephant Bay offers a range of spacious and comfortable rooms designed to provide relaxation and convenience for every guest.
The rooms are well appointed with modern amenities such as air conditioning, comfortable bedding, private bathrooms,
And tea and coffee making facilities. Many rooms feature private balconies with beautiful views of the Ma Oya River, allowing guests to enjoy the unique sight of elephants bathing nearby. Suitable for couples, families, and groups, the rooms at Hotel Elephant Bay combine comfort, scenic surroundings, and a peaceful atmosphere for a memorable stay.